Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Today we're at Bill Thomas Campers in Wentzville, Missouri, looking at a 2022 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 265BH. It's a two-door model, you can see right here, which gives you plenty of options, and we'll show you that on the inside. There is a 16-foot awning, power awning. You can see the exterior speakers, tandem axle. This RV sleeps 9, one slide, length is 32.9, so almost 33 feet long, 33! 16-foot awning, and wow, when you see the inside, this bunkhouse is really well equipped. I really like the light-colored walls, ceiling, and floor. The darker-colored cabinets really contrast, give it a nice pop to it on the interior. As we spin around and see the sofa, the Jackknife Sofa, and then we also have the bunk beds. So each one of those steps has a drawer in it. So it's just, I find it interesting how they find storage areas in so many unique places. And we got the lights on, and can't say nobody's home because I'm in here, but really a nice floor plan. Here's a wardrobe right off the bunk bed. So the sticker price is $36,910, and in my opinion, you get a lot for your money. So the Jackknife Sofa, and it has the flip-down doors here for your storage. A lot of times you see the Jackknife where you lift it up and you can put your items below the Jackknife. Here you have the flip-down doors. We have a large sofa that folds out, flat screen TV, and the kitchen. So we have a dual entry, and I'll show you that in a moment. And nice size kitchen, nicely well appointed kitchen with a microwave oven, 3-burner cooktop, and a pizza, which is a perfect place to make some fresh bread, pizza, anything to get the inside of the RV smelling like home. Just mother's touch is always such a nice added touch. We have a farmer sink with a swan neck faucet and a pull-out spray head. So the exterior height is 11.1, interior height is 6.6. So you can invite your friends that are on the basketball team in. Hitch weight 658, gross weight of 79.95, dry weight of 63.27. Here is your double door refrigerator. It's a 12-volt, 8 cubic foot refrigerator, so this allows you to go boondocking if you have a backup generator and or solar panel. We have a pass-through bathroom. The AC BTUs are 13,500 BTUs, 6-gallon water heater. There's your nice shower enclosure, nice and bright with your brick motif on the inside of your shower. And then here's the second door. So again, it's a two-door model, allows the person or persons sleeping in the bedroom to come and go without going throughout the rest of the RV, which is great when people are sleeping. Gives you a chance to slide in and out comfortably. So we have a queen-size bed with underbed storage. Your tank capacities, fresh gray and black, are 62, 78, and 39. And look at the capacity underneath the bed as far as your bed storage. Wow. Plenty of storage here. 2 LP bottles. They're 20-pounders up front, and the front jack that at the very beginning of the video, I showed that. As we spin around and look, what are your thoughts on this floor plan, the openness, the colors? Leave a comment below if this would fit your family's needs or you and your friends' needs when you're out ATV riding or horseback riding, whatever you happen to be doing.